Hello DIY Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video I am going to be showing you a glam high-end DIY vase centerpiece. If that's interesting to you, stay tuned, but please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get to crafting. Now for this vase, we're taking this this thrifted vase. I am going to be using my mirrored mosaic tile, and this mirrored tile is actually sponsored by bbcraft.com, and also some diamond brooches from Totally Dazzled, which they sponsored the brooches. I'm going to drop BB Craft and Totally Dazzled information down in my description box. Please make sure you check those links and score on you some good items to help create you some wonderful DIYs. I'm going to just be adding this mirror mosaic tile on for the sake of saving my voice, you guys. Please just follow me along as we complete this DIY project. If you're still watching and you haven't subscribed to Glam Queen of DIY, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you get glam high-end DIYs, you get a little bit of home renovations, and a few sponsored videos as well. If that sounds like something you will be interested in, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also share the video with your family and friends. I appreciate everyone's love and support. Alright you guys, that completes this DIY. I hope you like this vase centerpiece. I'm just adding some of my florals inside of the vase so you can see what it looks like styled with florals. And if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. And please don't forget to subscribe to Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, and Glam Queen Unboxing. We will see you in another video.